Yeah, hi everyone, welcome to The Secret. My name is Dan Ashendorf and this is a tutorial about how I make 5,438 British pounds and 57 pence. Let me just refresh the screen for you. And still there. And what I'm going to do now is just translate that number into US dollars for you. So as you can see, that's $7,527.52. And the secret is specifically about a little tweak that we've applied in the last month, which accounts for this massive spike in sales. But we don't just teach that. The secret is a step-by-step tutorial that will show you how to get started with eBay today. What products to list, where to find them. We have a secret sauce. You're going to love this. How to rank so that you are guaranteed to make sales. How to beat the competition every single time, and much, much more. Now with eBay, the good thing is that you don't need to worry about traffic. The site gets hundreds of millions of visitors a month. So provided you take these simple steps we're going to show you, you are guaranteed to make sales. Now there's also a 30-day money-back guarantee. So don't hesitate, and I look forward to speaking to you at the members area.